Okay, my name is Rosario. I just lead man in the Prince Manufacturing. I've been on this place almost 12 years. The first day when I started working on this place, I remember a couple words that Scott Benefit say. They on this place they sell quality, and I remember I never forget that word because that's what I'm trying to do. Is whatever I do, I try to do my best. I like this place because it's some kind of challenge sometimes, because it's a lot of stuff that you doing every day is something different, and I am that kind of person that I love the challenge, and this is a good place to learn different things that you never gonna learn in another place. That's what I like this place over here, because every day is something different. You have to push yourself to doing it better and to doing it right. I like what I do right now because I teach them person that they don't know nothing about this job, and I feel good when everybody do his job and doing it right. I feel so good. What I like about this place because they give you the opportunity to be somebody else. Sometimes if you learn, if you like what you're doing, you're gonna be a better person, and you're gonna do the next step. That's what they're doing with me. I mean, I learned pretty good. I like what I do, and they give me the opportunity to be a lead man in the main shop. I am so better in English now, man. That's